Not a lot of people realize that you can combine Google's design agent Stitch with another powerful Google product, Antigravity, and the results are honestly insane. Here is what makes this combo special. Stitch is the fully free AI powered UI design tool that can generate clean production ready interfaces from a single prompt. And it works well with Google AI Studio, Figma, and so many other avenues. Antigravity, on the other hand, is Google's agentic AI code editor that can reason, write, refactor, and execute code autonomously. Most people haven't seen this workflow yet because Google quietly launched Stitch MCP as well as agent skills for Stitch, which provides the raw connection layer between the two. Stitch MCP exposes the UI designs, components, and layout structures, whereas the agent skills for Stitch add smart, reusable behaviors that leverages that connection. When you combine them, the workflow becomes powerful. For example, here is what Stitch was able to fully develop in terms of the front end. You have the ability to create beautiful interfaces for web apps as well as mobile apps, and you can even export it to Figma. The setup is really simple. You run the Stitch MCP, which is super easy to install directly within Antigravity, and essentially from there, what you need to do is then install the Stitch agent skills that you can then let your agent inside Antigravity autonomously use all of these beautiful skills like designing, where you can design the UI or design a certain sort of tech stack, generate full stack code for certain sorts of interfaces, validate functionality, and iterate and refine all from a single prompt. This isn't just design to code, it's autonomous app creation where your AI agent can design, reason, build, and verify in one continuous loop. And this is where you're going to be able to see beautiful output from this combination. If you want the best AI tools, workflows, and drops before everyone else, join my free newsletter with the link in the description below, which is completely free. Now, I know for a fact someone will ask me, why not just use Stitch alone to generate your UI design? Then simply go ahead and export the design that is generated into Antigravity by downloading the file. Well, the reason why is because Stitch alone will get you that quick one-off UI mockup within your browser, which you can see over here. But if you want to use the MCP with anti-gravity, the agent will build real working code from those designs, and it is going to iterate continuously with your agent within the IDE without any sort of manual copying pasting hell. You use the Stitch solo for fast ideas, but you use the MCP from Stitch with anti-gravity when you actually want to ship an app continuously and iterate on the work automatically with the AI agent. It's really simple to get started. All you need is a Google account, and you can use all of these tools completely for free without any sort of API. Now, what you got to do is just simply create a Google account or just simply log in with your Google account into Stitch and then have Anti Gravity installed for your operating system. I have it for Windows, and I'll leave all these links in the description below. Then simply go ahead and open up Antigravity. Now you're going to need to actually sign in with your Google account. And once you have signed in, what you want to do is click on these three dots within the agent tab. If this is not opened up, click on toggle agent, which will open this panel up. Click on these three dots, click on MCP servers and search up Stitch. And what you got to do is click on this and you're going to need to now install Stitch. Now, what you're going to need to do next is get the Stitch API key. You can click on this, which will take you to the API settings. And if you are to generate the key, you can then copy that key and then paste it back into Antigravity over here and then click save. You can then go ahead and close this, but make sure you have all the tools enabled. You can head to your terminal and then you can copy this command over here, list all the available skills in your repository. Now, this will show you all of the Stitch skills that is going to be prevalent, and you can see that the Stitch CLI is now opened up. Now, this is optional. I would recommend that you do this. This is essentially just a library of agent skills powered with Stitch to essentially get the best generations. And these are different skills that you can have anti-gravity use to get the best output. Like a design MD file would be created for file documenting design systems. You have React components that specialize in converting Stitch screens to React components. You also have a Stitch loop skill, an enhancing prompt skill, and a lot more. Remotion is a really good one. So I would recommend that you install these skills. It's not necessary that you need to use them, but it will enhance your output. And if you are to install all of them globally, you can use it whenever and have Anti-Gravity even use it specifically. So just to showcase this full autonomous app that I'm going to create, powered by the Stitch MCP as well as anti-gravity, and then using the Stitch skills. This is where I'm going to have it create this full autonomous app by this anti-gravity agent using the Gemini 3 Pro. But you also have a lot of flexibility in using other proprietary models. I am going to be using the Stitch skill, the Stitch loop to generate a complete multi-page website, and then also using the enhanced prompt to refine it. And these are the two skills that I'm going to be using with this prompt that I am sending into anti-gravity. And what is going to happen is it is going to first refine my idea. Stitch is going to generate the screens, which you'll see in a couple of seconds. It's going to loop and organize the pages as well as the React system that will be created. Right now, you can see that the Stitch MCP is creating the project and it is going to utilize the anti-gravity agent and the skills to document and generate everything. Currently, it is using the agent skills to create multiple screens with Stitch, and it is generating all these different pages for us. And guys, since we are connected to the Stitch API, you're going to be able to actually see a live preview of it, obviously within Stitch. So right now, the agent is actually showcasing this directly within the canvas, and this is the app that we are generating. And the backend agent is working on coding out all the components of it. Now it seems like it is coding out all of the UIs and the pages that Stitch had generated. And this is why I really love this combo, because not only do you get the UI generated, but it also works on coding the backend of the front end that was generated by Stitch. So it looks like it has been fully coded out and it has even created a system, design system implementation plan, as well as the documentation as to what it actually used, like for the typography, the palette, as well as the components. Now, what we're going to do is start up the app. We're going to go into the AI agent dashboard app, and then we're going to run the npm run dev command to start it up. There we go. This is our AI dashboard that was generated, and we have beautiful components that the Stitch agent was able to generate, which is fully functional as well with multiple pages. You have the ability to click all these different buttons. You have different animations as well. So overall, it did a great job in fully executing and generating our AI dashboard quite rapidly. Now, another way to use this setup is by simply just using the Stitch canvas and then translating over to anti-gravity. Because I know for a lot of you guys definitely love to visualize what you're actually generating, and then you can actually iterate on each of the design components. Now, if you're working on creating a web design, you can select this, and then I would recommend that you use Thinking with the 3 Pro, Gemini 3 Pro, and then you can send in your prompt that you want to generate. This is where I am looking to create a luxury modern aesthetic app that is inspired by Apple's 2025 design landing. Not an app, but a web page. And essentially, this is where it is going to create that design within the Stitch canvas so that you can visualize it right away. And when you send in a larger prompt, it might take a bit longer to generate it, but just take a look at the quality of output. This is where Stitch was able to fully generate all of the components of this landing page, which is not a typical AI generated landing page. This looks like it is a really highly detailed landing page that probably took a developer many weeks to fully generate. But the beauty of the canvas itself is that you have the ability to upload files, obviously, but you can even generate multiple variations of it. You can use the design system so that you can even create your own design based off of what you have sawn from the canvas, as well as having it so that if you are to right click on this, you have the ability to annotate certain sections, and then you can even have it so that you can highlight a certain area and then have the AI agent iterate on it further. So let me just showcase different variations of it. If I want to create multiple variations, you can create as many as you'd like. Five is the max actually. And then you can add in a custom prompt to change certain layouts, or you can just have it create multiple pages. But let's just take a look at different variations that it'll create. You can see that it'll create multiple canvases now and generate each variation. But what you can now do is essentially, once you have gotten this generation, you can export this. You can export this to Antigravity either by just downloading the zip, or you can directly connect it via the MCP. And then you can paste this prompt directly within Antigravity, which is hooked up to our Stitch account. And then Antigravity can then iterate on it further, where it can even change the designs for you, or it can start coding out the backend for you. Now, another option is AI Studio, which is also really great. And this will directly take you to the cloud server or the cloud builder where you can vibe code all the backend components of it. And there we go. Here are the other iterations of what he had created. You saw how I just simply added 5 variations, and each and every generation you can see over here is really detailed and does not look AI like at all. Now, it's really hard to navigate through this, so you can click on this hand, which will let you pan over to the other designs. And these are the other iterations of what it had generated. So you can truly see why Stitch is such a great tool and why a lot of people love using it. And the beauty of this is that you can keep on changing the designs and iterating on it further with the canvas. I personally like using it with Anti-Gravity because I can just simply tell the agent to just implement changes or edits to make this even better from the agent itself, which will autonomously make the changes. If you like this video and would love to support the channel, you can consider donating to my channel through the super thanks option below. Or you can consider joining our private Discord, where you can access multiple subscriptions to different AI tools for free on a monthly basis, plus daily AI news and exclusive content, plus a lot more. But that's basically it, guys, for today's video on combining anti-gravity with Stitch. And you're definitely going to be able to get the best output in terms of generating beautiful dashboards, applications, websites, and various sorts of UIs completely for free with this combo. I'll leave all these links that I used in today's video in the description below. But with that thought, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Have an amazing day. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the second channel, join the newsletter, join the Discord, follow me on Twitter. And lastly, make sure you guys subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like this video, and please take a look at our previous videos so that you can stay up to date with the latest AI news. But with that thought, guys, have an amazing day, spread positivity, and I'll see you guys fairly shortly. Peace out, fellas.